We're back at Whalers Cove on this smoky November morning. The wildfires burn hundreds of miles to the north and south, and the smoke fills the central coast sky. We're just off of Cannery Point right here with the Whalers Cove Explorer, and we're going to check on some of the action happening right now in the kelp forest. It looks like first up we have a loose school of Senoritas swimming near the surface. These cigar-shaped fish are identified by their kind of yellowish orange color and little black tail. Oh, looks like a rockfish swimming quickly by. Let's take a look right over here. We're going to kind of go right on up this giant kelp stipe, looking at the bite marks, only to be greeted with the olive rockfish when we come back down. Pretty cool. We have some giant kelp looking giant and tree-like off in the distance. Various rockfish swimming about. Now, we're taking a look at the bottom here. We're about 10 to 12 feet down. We can see some sea stars and some sea urchins, the kelp greenlings swimming by, and the pinks being the coralline algae. Take a look in all the nooks and crannies. The blue rockfish off in the distance, with another sighting of the olive rockfish right there. A lot of action this morning in the kelp forest. Take a look right on over here. We can see that bat star again, and that sea star has moved closer to that urchin right there. Some food chain action right in front of us. A lot of sea snails on that kelp. If you slow down the film, you'll see a lot more. Now we find ourselves amidst some giant kelp leaf blades in various stages of growth and decay, and providing food for these sea snails right here. We picked a good morning to come off of Cannery Point and check out what was happening, because there's a lot going on, and the Senorita swims on by.